my super sweet crafty friends, welcome to my channel Carolina's Creations and Made. If you're new, please subscribe and click the bell button down below so you don't miss my videos. And today I want to share with you how to make your own gorgeous bag toppers using any dies you have. Here I'm going to be using a stitching die that I'll show you how to use. And I'm going to use different shaped dies from Sizzix Spellbinders. And I'm also going to be using a little die from Gina Marie Design. So I'm going to share with you, here are my little bag toppers that I made with some of these dies. And look at how adorable. They're double-sided, so they're sturdier. I know some dies got only half or partial the top. I don't like doing them that way because they're not as sturdier unless you use very heavy cardstock. And this way you can use any die you have and make your bag toppers any shape you want. So they're super adorable, perfect for crafters, for packaging, also for packaging your gifts for Christmas and the holidays, and for Happy Mail, for packaging your Happy Mail. So they're super easy. You can make tons of them super quick, and you can make them any size, wide or shorter. I'm going to be using a cardstock that measures 4 by 3.5 inches, and I'm going to fold it in half, and I'm going to use a Sizzix die on the long side to make the first one. And I'm going to align the folded area of my piece right below the cutting edge of the top of my die, as you see there. Make sure it is the folded area of your cardstock, and then I'm going to run it through my die cutting machine. This is super easy. It goes super quick and they're adorable. And here's my shaped bag topper, and you can see it's double-sided. And now I'm going to use a scallop punch from Stampin' Up! To decorate the border of my topper. You can leave it straight or use a die to decorate the border, but if you're going to mass produce, I recommend that you use a punch. And now we're going to use this little oval die from Gina Marie Design for the opening of our bag topper. So this is going to create the little handle, and I'm going to place it on my die cutting machine and run it through. And once we run it through, you're going to see I'm going to get this little piece that I can use to decorate a tag or something else. And this is going to be sturdier because it's gotten the whole piece on both sides, and I love that. Now I'm going to use a piece of cardstock, and I'm going to fold it in half. And I'm going to use another die from Spellbinders that I'm going to align with the cutting line, as you see there. And it's going to be right below that cutting line. And on the folded side, I'm going to run it through my die cutting machine, and you can see there the edge, how it cuts. And you can see I used the die on the shorter side so I could make a smaller bag topper. Isn't it adorable? So I'm going to decorate the border of it using my scallop punch from Stampin' Up! And look at how adorable! So now I'm going to do the oval for the opening for my handle for my bag topper, and look at how cute it looks. You can make them even longer at the bottom so you can decorate. I like doing them that way. And this is a nice way so you can figure out the size of your paper. Just place it so it matches the size of your die, and then when folded, it's going to give you half of it. So that's going to be the size of your topper. And I'm going to align it again over there right below the top of the cutting line in there on the folded side of my cardstock piece. And then I'm going to add washi tape so I can keep it in place when I run it through my die cutting machine. And these are the excess pieces. And here's my topper! Look at how adorable! Aren't they super cute? So we're going to create the opening again for the handle. And what I like is that all these little pieces that are left, you can use to create little tags. And look at how cute. You have several different shapes of bag toppers. We're going to use this die now, and you can see this is especially to create this kind of cards. But since this die is already made to partially, it's perfect also for bag toppers. So we're going to do the same. We're going to use the folded side of our piece, the cardstock piece, and we're going to align it right below the cutting line. Make sure it's right below so you still get the stitching. And we're going to run it through the machine, and this is what we're going to be left with. You can see here it's perfect. You get all the stitching and your piece is perfectly cut. So you have a super adorable shaped piece. And now we're going to do the opening for the handle, and you can leave this piece like this. You can leave it straight, or you can cut the bottom with your punch to create a border. Look at how adorable they are. And as you can see, you can make them in any size using any kind of die that you have to create different shapes of bag toppers. And then decorate them to your heart's content. And since they're double-sided, they will be sturdier. I hope this tutorial is useful for you guys. Let me know down below how you like it. I wanted to thank you so much for all the beautiful comments and messages. I was sick last week, so I was down with the bug, but you guys sent me so many beautiful messages and comments and wishing me well, and I so appreciate that. Guys, I love you so much. I hope you guys know it, and thank you for that. And also for my giveaway winners that I have to mail prizes to, I'm sorry I couldn't go to the post office last week, and the only days I can make it is Thursdays and Fridays. So your prizes are going to be out this Thursday, and I'll let you know as soon as I have confirmation from the post office. Thank you guys so much for watching. Welcome to all my new subscribers, and thank you so much to all of you, my super sweet crafty friends, for your love and support. I hope you're doing great, having an amazing week, and I hope to see you back here soon for another video. Bye bye. Love you guys. Mwah.